Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. So we've got our cream multifarious card. So we're going to need some stencil brushes, two different colours from our elements, lime punch and Bermuda, and we're going to be using a combination of our VersaFine inks. First of all, we're going to ink up our branch stamp in the Nocturne. And I'm going to place that round about the middle of the card there at a slight angle. Okay, and now I'm using Shady Lane, and just by using a different colour it gives us a different depth. So I'm going to stamp that just underneath and then at a different angle further down, and already you can see how one branch looks as though it's actually sitting behind another, and that's so easily done just by either stamping off or just simply changing your colour. So I'm just going to stamp off again, pop another branch there and one further down like so. Okay, let's move on to our lovely fairy. So inking up again in the Nocturne, making sure she's completely covered. You want to get all that lovely detail of her wings and her hair. And then we can position her sat on the branch like so, and give that a good press. And now we're going to use our elements. This is lime punch and one of our stencil brushes, and I'm just going to bring in that lovely colour. Just working my way up the card. And down the bottom there. And now we're going to move on to the Bermuda. So this is a lovely colour just to go over the top, just to give a bit more depth. I'm working my way just around the wings slightly. And now using one of our moon masks, I'm going to pop that over the top like so. I'm going back to the Bermuda and then sweeping that brush over the top. go. I'm going to take a little bit of colour just over the edge, just to soften the moon, to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional, not quite as flat. And let's go back to that gorgeous lime punch and bring in a little of that as well. So I've got a lovely little foliage stamp here. I'm going to ink that up in the twilight. I'm going to stamp off and then stamp onto the card. Such a pretty stamp. Okay, and now I've got some little berries, and I'm going to ink up in the Glamorous this time, just to add a little bit of colour. And now we've got a verse that I'm going to ink up, this time in Warm Breeze. Use that one. So ink up, I'm going to take off that first impression and stamp with the second. Just want it to be very subtle in the background. Like so. I'm going back to the Bermuda now, and I'm just going to skim the edges. Just take your time, keeping that centre area nice and light so that your eye is pulled into the middle. That's your focal point. So lastly, I've got my glue pen here, and all I'm going to do is just draw around the edge of the moon. Keep your hand on the table. You can get more of a steady hand then. And then we've got Christmas tinsel. I'm going to keep with the red theme. Tap off. Let's pull that little bit back in there. And let's just put a little few dots of Posca about as well. And there we go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. You take care, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.